Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the essentials. Check iPhone X iOS version and available storage, because updates in low space can break Bluetooth. Next, toggle Bluetooth off then on, and briefly enable airplane mode for 5 to 10 seconds. This forces the radio to reset. Once done, restart your iPhone and the peripheral. Make sure the accessory is fully charged and in pairing mode so the phone can discover it. These first steps remove common transient issues quickly. Now you dig deeper. In Settings Bluetooth, tap the info icon and forget the device, then attempt a fresh pairing. This clears corrupt pair records. If that fails, reset network settings via Settings General Transfer or Reset Network Settings. This restores Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and cellular network defaults, but keeps your data. Also, reduce interference by moving away from routers or microwaves and try pairing again. Make sure you re-enable Bluetooth after the reset and follow pairing prompts carefully. Finish by updating your iPhone X to the latest iOS. Many Bluetooth bugs are fixed in incremental releases, so install updates and test again. If software fixes fail, restore the device from an iCloud or encrypted computer backup. This can resolve deep system corruption, but make sure you back up first. Finally, if Bluetooth still fails, suspect hardware. Contact Apple support or run diagnostics at an Apple store. Quick troubleshooting tip. If intermittent, note when failures happen, apps, locations, or devices.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.